Browserbase is a website that allows you to automate web browsing, which is pretty cool. I recently covered a platform similar to this, which was called Proxy by Convergence AI, and I managed to order a pair of Nike trainers in my size within a particular budget. And that was all from a text prompt, which is pretty cool. And if this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So what I'll do to compare is I'll actually use a similar prompt here with Operator by Browserbase. So what I'll say is go onto the Nike website and find me a pair of black trainers in size 10 for under, say, £100. Okay, cool. So we've had this browser pop up here. We can see what the goal is. And wow, this is pretty quick. You can see its reasonings. Wow, it's gone to the Nike website, specifically onto the men's shoe section. The best point is starting the Nike UK website's men's sales shoe section. Makes sense. The section is likely to have discounted items which increase in chances of finding black trainers in size 10 for under £100. You can see here it's scrolling, which is pretty cool. Okay, we can see it's still scrolling here. Step 2, the current screen shows a cookie consent form. Okay, cool. So it managed to go past the cookie consent form. You can see it's still scrolling through these shoes here, which is, yeah, it's just quite impressive, I'll say. Reasoning, accepting cookies is a common step required to access the full functionality. Okay, cool. So that was its reasoning behind that. And you can see here we've got go to and we've got act. So it actually tells us what it did at each step. And here it's still processing. You can see it's still browsing here on the right. And we've got a couple buttons here. Okay, and what it's done is it's actually filtered the search results to find black trainers in size 10 for under £100. This involves selecting the appropriate filters for color, size, and price range. Since the filters are visible on the left side of the page, the first action should be to select the color filter and choose black. Okay, great. So this was another action step, as you can see. And yeah, here we are. We can see it's still searching through. So, I mean, this is quite amazing stuff because really and truly, I could just leave this on and then go do another task. So now I can use this platform to really maximize my time. I can type in a prompt and say, go do this for me, research this, or create this kind of content, and then go away and do something else. Now, I could do something else on my computer, or I could do something else in the real world. But either way, I've got this operator that's searching the web and doing what I need it to do online for me without me being there. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to shoot me over a text, then feel free to head over to Jay's Instagram and drop a message in his DMs. ChatGPT will be there to respond to you, and that's essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if that's something that interests you, definitely give that a go. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.